In this video, we're talking about the benefits of pumpkin seeds. Hi, I'm Dr. Zarowski from NewVisionExcel.com. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell notification, join our notification community, and I'm going to help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about the benefits of pumpkin seeds. You know, many people are carving those pumpkins and tossing those seeds in the garbage. But what most people don't know is that pumpkin seeds are a highly nutritious snack. When we look at pumpkin seeds, they're loaded with nutrients and they offer a ton of great benefits to your overall health. So what we'll discuss in this video, the top nutrients in pumpkin seeds, how it's going to benefit your health, and then at the end of this video what I'll do is teach you how to make your own pumpkin seeds in your own home, very inexpensive, and do it in a way that doesn't destroy the nutrient quality of the pumpkin seed itself. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, one of the first great qualities of pumpkin seeds is that they have a good amount of protein in them. In just 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, you're going to find about 12 grams of protein here. The other thing that's great about pumpkin seeds is that they're high in manganese. They're also high in phosphorus, copper, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Now, pumpkin seeds also have other nutrients in them, such as omega-3s, vitamin E, phytosterols, which are antioxidants, some vitamin B. So, you know, pumpkin seeds overall are really loaded with nutrients, but what we're focusing on here, just the heavy hitters, the nutrients that are in high amounts in pumpkin seeds. Now, when we look at the different nutrients here, what we know is that each and every one of them plays a huge role in our overall health. Biochemically, they carry out hundreds of different functions in the body. But what we're going to do is really focus on some of the heavy hitters and some of the things that we know that are research proven that pumpkin seeds can actually help you with. First here is inflammation. Pumpkin seeds really help support the reduction of inflammation. As a matter of fact, pumpkin seeds are research proven to help reverse arthritis. Now, we know that this is really important because when we look at inflammation, it's really the root cause of disease. When we look at heart disease, cancer, all these really start with a chronic inflammatory process in the body. So pumpkin seeds can support that. Next here on our list is mental well-being and sleep well-being. You know, it really is going to help your mental well-being because it has tryptophan in it, which affects serotonin, which is going to create calmness of mind and really support reduction of anxiety. Now, when we look at sleep, the tryptophan is actually going to support the serotonin, which in turn is going to support melatonin release, which is going to help you sleep better at night. So that is how pumpkin seeds can help with your sleep and mental well-being. The next here is prostate health. Now, pumpkin seeds are very high in zinc. So being that they're very high in zinc, they can help with prostate issues. And even when we look at pumpkin seed oil, it has actually been research proven to support the reduction of an enlarged prostate. So when we look at how pumpkin seeds can benefit heart health, they're really powerful because they're high in omega-3s, antioxidants, fiber, and they also are going to decrease oxidative stress, which is really powerful for your cardiovascular system. The other thing is post-menopause, there's a lot of symptoms that pop up. Pumpkin seeds are research proven to actually decrease many of these different symptoms that many women face, and so they're very powerful for that too. Pumpkin seeds are going to support skin health and hair growth. They're also going to support reversing diabetes. The way that it's going to do this is by decreasing oxidative stress, and it's shown to have an insulin balancing effect on the body. And so when we look at pumpkin seeds, one of the best ways to consume them is raw. That is how you're going to get the most benefits. You're going to get the most active nutrients within the pumpkin seed. Now, if that's not really your thing, what you can do is you can dehydrate them. So what we do is we put a little bit of coconut oil on them and then lay them out on a tray, sprinkle them with sea salt, and then put them in the oven at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. This way we preserve the nutrients in it, we preserve the fats, keep them from turning rancid, and then they're still highly nutritious and they taste really great. Now, if you really want to get like a high dose of all the nutrients that are found in pumpkin seeds, you can actually use pumpkin seed oil. It's used a lot in research. And so use the pumpkin seed oil. You can just supplement with that every day, and it's going to be very, very beneficial to your overall health. Now, if you like pumpkin in general, I've included a link below where you can get some of my favorite pumpkin recipes. So be sure to check out those recipes. Also, use pumpkin seeds as a way to increase your health. Give this video a thumbs up. Post any questions that you have in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel, and then check out my other videos that show you how to improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.